Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Dailykeny. I got a special one for you guys. So tune in right now, hit that subscribe button because it's about to get wild. As you guys can already tell from the thumbnail, it is a Culture Kings video. So shout out to Culture Kings for sponsoring this video and getting me this huge gift. Guys, it's huge. I'm talking about like, look at this. All the way from Australia. Like, look how bad this box got damaged. That I'm about to share with you guys. We're gonna do another Culture Kings review video because obviously, as you guys can tell from the last video, you guys really liked that video a ton. So we're gonna do another one here today. So shout out to Culture Kings for shipping this all the way from Australia. As if you guys didn't know, they are an Australia-based company. So expect longer delivery times. Again, it's coming from the other side of the world if you guys are in the US. Again, just to go over the descriptions here so you guys can see that. First off, I am about like 5'6", my weight about 150. All my shirt sizes, typically I do wear a medium. Sometimes I'll wear a small, but usually I am a medium. Shorts, I am a 28 to 29. So it just depends on the shorts as well. So that will give you guys a description. If you guys have any questions, obviously hit the comments below so you guys can, see what your thoughts are, and then I can kind of give suggestions. But with that being said, I'm excited to start the video here out today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Oh my goodness, guys. First things first. Okay, I'm just gonna pull a bunch of stuff out and then we'll run through it together. I don't know what this is, but this is a huge backpack. Can you guys see this? Look at that. Yeah, my hats. Guys, so last time I talked about the A-frame hats. Look at that. Oh, special box. Again, the presentation of Culture Kings on when they give this to you guys, like, look at this. You guys can't tell me like this is not sick though, right? Look, like that's tight. The big old C right here. Oh my gosh. I got the exact same thing again this time here. Look at that. I got LA this time because woo, let's go. This is sick. So I got the K-frame for the LA. And then everyone just rocks P. That's the only reason why I got it. Boy, if you don't. But it's a K-frame as well. New era, you guys can see that. Snap back in the back. That is the same thing with LA as well. So I got the same thing. The next thing on the agenda. Ooh. Samora. I see a lot of these. I'm really obsessed with Samora on Culture King's website. I have a few of their stuff already, so that's the reason why I selected this. We'll open this in just a bit. Culture King's t-shirt. We got, what is this? Black scale, there you go. Sheesh. More stuff, I don't know what this is. This one's item number 8, going in here. 9, look at this. I don't even know what this is. 9, what is this? Samora, 10, 11, I don't know what this is either. This is 11, 12. I think they sent me a little bit more stuff than they should as a gift. Thank you guys. Again, this is really exciting. Over 13, 13. This one's 14. This one is 15, Adidas. Alright guys, I just barely changed out of my wardrobe here so you guys can see. I am wearing the Samora's tank top. You guys, I'll show you a 360 real quick. Right here. This is a size medium here. But this fits really, really good. Again, my chest length is, I want to say, US is 37, 38. I think that's my chest width from everything going all around. But this is a size medium here. Fits great. I'll lift up my arms and you can't see my stomach. I am wearing the Adidas here, as you guys can see. It's a size small, fits great. It's a little bit above my kneecap here. So it's nice, comfy, it's like athleisure wear. So this is the box, the Samora box. Look at this. It's nice, like this packaging is super nice. I did order a second necklace. Bye. So I'll go ahead and throw this on. I believe this is a 22, 24. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's just a normal chain. I just think it's like super dope. All right, cool. So I got this one on. All right, we're gonna go into the next fit. I'm wearing the similar shorts as well. This is the size 28. I'd say it's pretty true to size. It does have a little bit stretch to them here, as you guys can see. You guys can see the little bandana looking inside. It's nice. It's like very, very stretchy. It's definitely very tapered, and it hugs my legs like beyond tight. This is like something like you just go out, streetwear, just like you just go out, hang out, at a party, at a bar, anything like that. You're bumming up at home, staying in bed, watching Netflix. This is the fit. Probably not the fit, guys. Okay, so the next thing here that I'm gonna throw on is the other St. Laurent shorts. This is just a basic one, as you guys can see here. It has a couple of distressed holes, as you can see. It's right in here. The next shorts, these are without the bandana. I think the only difference with these ones here, real honest, is that there's not really a stretch to it like the other ones. This one's like a solid 28. So if, like, I think with the other one, you can get away with getting, if you're like a size 29 or 30, you can get away with wearing that. But this one here, if you were a true 30 and you try to throw on a 28, yeah, this one's not gonna fit. This one's really tight on the waist. So, all right, next shirt on the agenda is this. All right, this one is a size medium. It's kind of hard to say because I really like this one, and when I saw this online, I was like, yo, this is like fire, like so sick. So this is what it looks like, anti-brand. They did some stuff to it, so right here, got some back stuff. They have a line down the middle, but this is what it looks like paired with my shorts. You know what I'm talking about? Cool, next shirt on the agenda is the dead shirt. This is a vintage color. Oh, this is also a size medium. I just like it because it's like, everyone loves wearing like this kind of old school look. So this is the look that I'm trying to go for. Let's get started. All right, so I threw on the LA hat so you guys can check it out. This one fits. It's kind of weird. So with the Pittsburgh hat, I had to do 2 like notches here where it's like left out. But this one, it's 1 notch. So kind of weird, but I mean, it fits great, and that's all that matters. All right, so we are wearing the tank top. This is a medium. This is a little bit more oversized, which is really nice too, because if you guys put your hands up, no belly button, doesn't show any skin, so it's nice. So it does kind of drown, so how I would rock this as well, I'll probably put this, tuck it in just a little bit, so it just hangs off to the side, shows off everything here. But this one's nice. It's like a nice vintage color. Next fit, let's get to it, is the Culture Kings shirt. This one's tight. This one's definitely, I can tell already it's gonna be a little bit more oversized. This one's the size medium as well. Has the flag in the back, so let's get it. This is what it looks like. Oversized, you got the Australian flag in the back, Culture Kings in the front. This is just like basic wear. Basic wear, oversized in the sleeves right here, so it's baggy. Oh man, I think like everything with the fit that I'm wearing right now, all fits with the shorts, which is nice. So maybe it's just me, but I just wear black anyways. But I mean, this pretty much goes with everything. The Culture Kings bag, it's crazy. Look at this, look how ginormous this is. You can literally put like football cleats in here, basketball. Like, this is like a good gym bag, I guess you could say. And look at this, like the big Culture Kings emblem. Oh, yo, this is like super, super heat. And it has like, you can, oh. This just reminds me of like a basketball bag, like a gym bag. This is probably gonna be my gym bag most likely, definitely. Next item on the agenda, the GOAT Crew. Culture Kings was advertising this a lot because they're trying to go like the vintage kind of look, old school. I got this one here just because, like, I don't know. There's something about this, the City of Dreams, just caught my look. Let's try it on. Okay, I got the GOAT Crew shirt on. This is another vintage one. This is a little bit more, I'd probably roll up the sleeve, like what my buddy Nick does, my roommate in here. You guys will see him soon. But this is exactly what I would do. It kind of gives you that old school look. But this is sick. Next item on the agenda. Look at this. This caught my eye. Something about the moon. This is an oversized shirt. It's a size medium. It has dope graphics. Let's throw this on. Fit. Baggy look. I think these are a little bit more of my kind of looks here. This is a size medium. Got the logo here. What is this? Graphic here and the back. I think the back is what sells me, guys. The back is really what sells me. Nice. Okay, last two pairs. Emperor Apparel, New York. This is just an olive green, and this is just like a, I don't know if this might be my kind of style of a shirt, but I mean, it's still nice. I rock it. Let's see, eeny, meeny, let's go rock with this. All right, we got the olive green on. It's really tight in the arms. Look at this, can you guys see that? I'm not trying to flex or nothing, but like, it's really tight in the arms. And just forgot to take off the tag. It's okay, I'll do it later. But anyways, this is a size medium. It is a long length. Look at this. It's definitely long. It's not baggy. It's a little bit more of a slim fit. So it's really nice. The only thing here, I think there's like one little logo and then they got logos on the side on the arms right here. But yeah, that's it. Okay, last item on the agenda. Emperor Apparel. Let's get this on. All right, last one is the Emperor Apparel. We got this on the side of the shoulders, from the trap to the shoulders. It's also a tight look. I think with Emperor Apparel, their style, I kind of feel like it's like a United Kingdom style, you know what I'm talking about? Where like, it's like longer length. Have you guys seen that? Maybe like with like other like United Kingdom brands out there, but it's nice. It's not an oversized look. It's definitely tapered. This is a size medium as well. So it's not too bad. Now the finale, all right, the finale. Out of all these clothing apparels that I've tried on, which one do you guys think is my favorite? You guys have to take a guess. If you guys guessed this shirt, this is my most favorite one. Out of everything in the fit, the shorts plus the shirt, this apparel right now is like a vibe. If you guys ever see me like out and about, and you guys know me enough, some stuff like this, I do like the baggy looks. That's why I do like, you know, stuff like this that kind of drowns me, because I don't know, I just feel like it's such a streetwear look, and that's what I like about it. But again, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Culture Kings unboxing and review video. If you guys want to see more of it, hit that like button, hit me in that comment section. If you guys have any questions, also ask away. I do love interacting with you guys as well. So thank you, Culture Kings, for supporting me and the video and the box here today. I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Dailykeny's out. Love you guys. Peace and love.